Hey y'all, so I am back with another Amazon wig review and an install because I'm going to be installing this wig today. I got this wig from Amazon, whatever, it's like 26 inches. I did go in and I plucked and I bleached the knots, indeed I did. I didn't braid my hair. Ouch. This is my hair now. I got a trim. Well, I been got a trim when I had got my braids, but this is what it's looking like. I washed it last night, but y'all, this psoriasis is not doing me no justice. Like, I literally washed my hair. But yeah, so I'm gonna braid this down and I'll be back. Okay, so I got the wig cap on. Now it's time for the wig. I overplucked it. I did. I'm gonna try to finesse it like I always do. Look at the black spray. I'm gonna go ahead and cut the sides of the wig. Okay, so I cut off my ear tabs and now I'm just going to glue the wig on. I'm gonna do like one side because whatever excess glue I have on this side, I can just spread it to the side. So yeah, but I usually do like 3 to 4 layers. So I'm gonna do that and I'll be back. I'm gonna let this one dry with the cool setting. So now, like right where the lace is, I'm gonna start in the middle. Place it like right here in the middle. So I'm gonna take my lace band and I'm gonna let this sit for probably like 30 minutes max. Okay, so it's been on for an hour. So we're gonna cut this. So now there are 4 sections cut. And now I'm just going to like cut in a I'm gonna glue the tabs down. I'm gonna spray it on top of this. So I'm gonna use this and I'm going to dabble in it. And I'm going to place it here. Okay, so now I'm back. I got this stuff. I'm just gonna do a side part because this wig is like literally just pissed me off. So now take your lace melt. So just spray. But you put it right on the lace. And this stuff do smell good. I'm gonna put the lace band back on for like a couple of minutes. Okay, so this is it out the bin. I'm gonna do a side part because this is like basically I just messed up. So what I usually do is go in with mousse. I decided to just go ahead and cut edges like upward. Put some mousse. I overplucked my wig, so I'll have to go edge. This is how my hair is looking. Bye y'all.